Alright guys, it's lunchtime and we need to cook. I'm hungry. So I prepare Brussels sprouts, zucchini, but I'm gonna talk in different languages because I have so many subscribers now, and some don't speak English or Philippine, Portuguese, or Spanish. So we'll try to do that. Alright. Ambot og unsa ni siya sa Pilipinas, but this is called Brussels sprouts in the United States. So you just snip this one right here. Okay? Like that. And then snip that. Let's put this one somewhere else. Hang on. Get some more olive oil. Let's get that cooking. We just want to do healthy stuff, healthy stuff. Of course, favorite, crushed red peppers, ginger. I'll put a little chili powder. Curry. Make it a little, like an Indian taste, Indian food taste. Oh, this is gonna be good, dude. Sorry, I'm not gonna show my face because it's too early. I mean, it's 11 o'clock, but it doesn't look good, my face. Oh, kani, imo na. Imo nang ibutang ni, sa tihon ni mo ni ron, pero gusto ko pagbutang na akong, okay. It's a little bit hot. I'm just gonna go like, snip this, like this, and let's go. Oh, it's getting hot now. Make sure it's hot. Snip. Oh, ang zucchini, kuha ni siya, sikwa. Sa Pilipinas, sikwa man na siya. Hindi po itong sikwa. Red onion po. Kung ano ni mo. Naunag ni mo. Oh, gamay. O gusto kang mag-healthy, healthy life, kanya gusto kang ay yung blood pressure magamay, lang. Kaon lang mga vegetables, ingon ana, kaon vegetables, just eat vegetables, make sure it's good, and it's washed. Imong imong ipa-sauti ni mo dire. Gusto ko sige, tuloy butang ni. Oh, this is snip, right? But you have to cut it in half. Like that. Make sure you cut it in half. So, it's not, you don't choke. Para dili ka madunlan. Ay, ma-choke ka na. Alright. Itong yellow na zucchini. I mean yellow squash. Kadamas ka na, allergy, jakuyo, skabay, parakate. This is what you do. Just cut it in half when it goes to the bigger part. Like cut it this way and then, I don't know why I don't like cutting board. Now that's the end of the cutting situation. Oh, I mean, in the market or sa market, ato ka dito. Gamay good, di ka maka sige kaog hamburger, wala angay. Dili makakuha na. Wala, that's not good. That's not good, man. That's not good. Alright. Alright. Let's get a little cup of water. Half cup of water. Get it steaming. Oh, close it. That's it. Get it. Steam it. All right. Woo. See, you're steaming it, so it's gonna get soft a little bit. Just like you saute and then you boil it. It's a steamed vegetable. It's really healthy. Mayo na pagkaon kag healthy ka. Mayo kay sa mga Pilipino, taas kayong blood pressure nila, kaog sige bulad, kaog mga kuan, sa vegetable, kaog mga kuan nino sweet stuff ba. And then mas kanila comer la vegetales no puede, eh? See? Yeah, it's not good to eat a lot of pork, a lot of meat. I mean, if you're a keto, keto diet. You know, that's how you pronounce keto diet, bacon, oh, cloggy mo arteries. Your arteries gonna get clogged, man. You don't want to do that. This one is good. Look at that. Okay. God, that looks nice. Look at that. That is good. Look at the top. Wow, 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 wow. Maayo ba? Maayo. Pilipino ka, kaong kag vegetables pod, maayo. Kay, ang blood pressure mo taas man. Pilipino, kaog sige bulad, hipon, unsa pa, mga dinuldog, mga kuan ba? Uy, sus, ang blood pressure ni mo na, taas kayo ba eh. Kadira kayo kanon ginagmay. Skinimes ka, kalapa ay ke, judge din me, para hindi ka mag blood pressure, kasi ang taas ng blood pressure mo, patay. Oh, healthy. If you're eating this all the time, it's good for you. Your blood pressure comes down a little bit. All right, I think this is done. All right, dude, that's done. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right. Done. Oh, sige. Subscribe, ha? Alright, don't forget to subscribe, man. Tumana Hishke. Adios. Adios, amigos. Subscribers. Adios. See, I'll see you, man. Bye.